Hi everyone, this tutorial is for how to set work hours in Outlook Classic on Windows. This tutorial is shown on Windows 11. First, I quickly want to explain how setting up your work hours in Outlook will help you. Your non-working hours will be grayed out in your calendar. So when someone sends you a calendar invitation, you directly see in that invite if the proposed time is within your work hours. Here is how you can quickly set up your work hours. Left-click on File in the menu. Left-click Options. Left-click Calendar. And on the right, you will set up your work hours, and even the days too. After making the changes, left-click OK to save the changes. This is just one of our free tutorial tips. However, we have training programs that can help you and your company use Microsoft 365 effectively on your computer, smartphone, and mobile devices, helping you take good control of your emails, tasks, and projects to stay more productive. We have similar training programs for Google Workspace users and iWork users. If you are interested, visit our website, turnertimemanagement.com, and schedule a complimentary consultation meeting with Turner Time. You can also send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463, and we look forward to being of service.